Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a read more in Constant Contact. All right. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to the left panel. As you can see here under build in the blocks section, you can go ahead and add in a new section here on your email and add read more. And here, drag and drop like so. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on the image. Okay. And replace it like so. You have your library, custom URL or custom image or a dynamic image right here. Okay. For example, under my library, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a new one. Stock images if you want to. Maybe architecture right here. Free results. And this one. Agree. Wait for it. Or you can go ahead and upload straight up from your computer. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay. Head on upload. Once done, close it. Go back to library. Right here, as you can see, we have the stock photo, and here we have the uploaded one. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the stock one here. Hit on insert. There you go. And then you can go ahead and enter your article heading right here and place a bit of what's inside of your article. All right. Under text link, you can go ahead and remove this one, as we do have the read more button in here. Okay. All right. So tap away like so, and tap on the block once more. And go to the top, click on edit, and here paste your blog's URL. All right. For example, I'm just going to paste this one. For example, this is your blog. All right. Hit on insert, wait for it to finish. And when someone taps on the read more button, it will automatically land them to the blog URL. Okay. Now, if you want to change the looks of your read more button, click on it. Okay. Here we have the edit section. You can go ahead and change the color, size, font, maybe this one. Color, maybe that. You have borders and paddings and margins right here. Okay. And once that's done, maybe a preview and test. Scroll down, tap on read more. As you can see, it'll be landed to the same exact URL that you have entered. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.